Let's talk about cryptocurrencies and how you can make passive income with crypto by literally just purchasing crypto and not really doing anything. Now, if you're a stock market investor who is building a portfolio where you can get passive income from, let's say, dividends, or you're building your real estate portfolio where you can get passive income from that, then you can pretty much do the same thing with cryptocurrency, but this is something that nobody really talks about a lot. And so I decided to cover this in this video because you could be making a lot of money from your crypto that is locked away, and that way it increases in value, and that way you make a lot of money, or you could use your crypto to get you passive income or just compound to make you even more crypto. So with that said, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make upwards of 10% on your crypto and get passive income. But before I do this, just a very quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk about making money, saving money, investing money, and personal finance on a whole. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content and you want to see these videos some more, and also be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos on this channel. So let's jump right into how you can make passive income from crypto. And so the main method here is to simply put your crypto on a platform or an exchange that pays you interest. Now, you may be saying, well, Ian, yeah, I know this. I currently get 1% on my Bitcoin or 0.5% on my Ethereum on Coinbase. However, there are other exchanges, and you can look this stuff up. I'm not making this up. For example, on the VOYAGER app, which is the one that I use, or at least the main one that I use for crypto, you can get over 4% on your Bitcoin and your Ethereum, which are the two most popular cryptos right now. And if you want to go with something else like a stable coin, which is pegged to the dollar, you can go with USDC, which can get you 9% in interest once you have $100 or more in there, which is really good, or a good deal right now, because even if you opt for a high yield savings account, it's probably going to give you 0.5% in interest. And even if you're in the stock market, we know that the annual average returns on the S&P 500 is around 10 to 12%. So this is really close to that. And as a plus, you can just liquidate and pull this money whenever you want. Now, if 9% sounds really good, this gets even higher, with some exchanges going up to 12%, and some are even going up to almost 15% in interest on your crypto holdings. Now, the way I see this, or the way I look at this, is if you're already investing in crypto and you're holding, let's say, some Bitcoin or some Ethereum or some Polkadot or some Polygon or whatever it is that you're holding, why keep all that crypto locked away when you could just put it on, let's say, the VOYAGER app, or any other platform that you choose, and earn interest on that crypto while you hold it? So similarly, it's the same thing with you opening a high yield savings account as opposed to just a regular checking account to keep your money. If you keep your money in the checking account, then you get nothing in return, right? It just sits there. However, if you put your money in the high yield savings account, then the money is still going to just sit there and not really do much. But on the flip side, or the upside for you, is that you get at least some interest and your money is actually producing for you even while you're not actually using it. So it's the same thing here with crypto. If you're already investing in crypto, if you're buying Bitcoin or you're planning on doing it, or just about any other crypto, why not then just use one of these apps or exchanges that actually gets interest on that crypto? And that way, even while you're not using your crypto, it's still making you passive income. And the best thing about this is that most of these exchanges or these apps or platforms, they will pay you the interest in the same crypto or the same altcoin that you're investing in. So for example, if you're investing in Bitcoin on the VOYAGER app and you're getting 4.75% in returns, you're not gonna get that in cash. You're actually gonna get that in Bitcoins paid to your Bitcoin account or your Bitcoin holdings. And so while you're not doing anything, you're just earning Bitcoins, and your Bitcoin holdings keep growing by the interest accruing on that crypto. Now, if you're not investing in crypto, or you don't plan on doing so, then honestly, this probably won't make much sense to you. But the point is, if you're already investing in crypto, or you're planning on investing in crypto soon, then this makes a whole lot of sense to get 9, 12, or up to 14% on your crypto holdings, rather than just leaving them stashed away and getting nothing in return. Now, maybe you're saying, well, Ian, this is risky. Keeping my crypto on these exchanges is risky. And also, what if they stop paying the interest, or the interest could change at any particular time? And the answer is yes, any of these things or all of these things could happen. And also, following the same thought process, crypto could go down significantly tomorrow, right? You could lose a lot of your money. Maybe you're investing in a specific token or coin, and it could lose a lot of value tomorrow, or maybe it could go to even zero. That's also a risk. And so if you've already accepted the risk involved with crypto and you're currently still investing in crypto anyway, while knowing all these risks and accepting them, then to me it makes some sense to just get some interest on your crypto while you're taking all the risks. Now, personally, I've scaled back my crypto cravings and I'm now chilling. I'm just investing 10% of my money, or 10% of the money I set aside for investing rather is going into crypto. And the entire idea here is to have 90% of the money invested into boring index funds or the stock market, and then 10% into crypto. And that's just because that's the amount of risk that I want to take with crypto at this point in time. Now, the second way that you guys can earn passive income, and yes, there are multiple ways to make passive income with crypto, and the second way is lending your crypto to someone else who agrees to pay you back with interest for a set period of time. Now again, you may say, Ian, why would I let anyone borrow my crypto? Because they'll probably just steal it and never pay me back, and that may be true, but usually when you're lending crypto on a crypto platform that allows lending, what they'll do is they'll use the borrower's own crypto as security, and that way if they start falling behind on the payments or they just don't pay you at all, then you can actually liquidate their own crypto holdings and get your money back, or at least get some of your crypto back. Now, I'm not really a fan of this one. It's really risky, but they try to make it where people can't just borrow your crypto and outright steal it, but it's still another option. Now, the third way to make money from crypto or make passive income is by staking. So crypto is decentralized, and so there's no central authority or anyone really overseeing the transactions. And because of this, just to make sure everything is working properly and no one actually has entire control over the crypto system, users like me and you can stake or crypto and receive rewards for doing that. Now, usually cryptos are either proof of stake or proof of work, and so if you're doing proof of work, it's going to require mining, and crypto mining is simply you using a lot of computing power and resources to solve complex algorithmic problems. And this is why you will normally see, let's say, mining rigs or Bitcoin mining rigs, which will be thousands or hundreds of miners, and it takes a lot of power and a lot of time. And for all this processing, proof of work rewards the miners with cryptocurrency. And so the other way to work around this is by proof of stake, which is where we can all come together and stake our cryptos. So instead of doing proof of work where you have to basically mine, it takes a lot of computing power and also electricity for you to get the rewards, you can stake your crypto and then get rewards from staking crypto. And also you can come together in a pool and stake with other people, and then you'll receive your fraction of the rewards. So proof of work is using complex or solving complex algorithms, or you can validate the transactions on the network by depositing your cryptos or staking your crypto. You can earn rewards from doing this with proof of stake. Now, the more you stake, the higher the chances of your staking being responsible for validating the transactions. And so the more transactions that you validate, then the more rewards you will earn from staking. Now, the downside with this is that you have to stake a lot for this to be worthwhile. But again, thankfully, you can join with a group of people. This is called a staking pool. So you can come together and you can stake together, and then the rewards will be shared. But this does take a lot more. Now, the final way to make passive income with crypto is by investing in NFTs. And here you can actually lend your NFTs to someone else for a predetermined period of time and a preset price, and then you get your asset back, and you also get paid the interest. Now, I actually cover this in great detail in another video where I explained why people borrow NFTs, or why people will rent your NFTs from you, and how they use it to make more money and then give it back. So this could also be a way to make passive income. But again, if you're like me and you don't want to really complicate things and you're just investing in crypto and altcoins, then the best way to make passive income from your crypto would be to put your money on a platform like the VOYAGER app, which is what I do. And you can get up to 12% in interest on your crypto assets. And that way you just keep on doing the same things that you've been always doing. You keep on buying your Bitcoin or Ethereum. But the only difference here is that now you're getting up to 12% in interest on your crypto assets. So if you were ever wondering how you could make passive income and grow your crypto portfolio without doing anything or doing a lot of work, then this is how you can make passive income from your crypto assets. If you have any other strategies of making passive income from crypto, comment them down below so we can look at those as well. And as always, guys, if you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, all the best with making money in crypto. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.